chord graph. Okay, the first approach is, of course, you can give yourself a table of x and y value, but this is not a very efficient way. Okay, this is a very slow way. So you see, after spending about 5 minutes and you still haven't graphed anything yet, right? So it's very slow. So not preferred. The next way is you check whether this can be factorized or not. You know how to check, right?
It's 2:30.
You know how to check whether this can be factorized, right?
Yeah,
How?
the calculator.
Yep. So can you check? Six or minus 6?
Minus 6.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep. So you get good numbers. So that means it can be factorized. So you do factorization first. Okay. X squared is given by x times x, right? Then in order to get minus 6x, you have minus 5 and minus 1. So this cross multiply will give you minus 5x minus x, total minus 6x. So this is what you want, right? So therefore, after factorization, this is the answer. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So therefore, your this y is actually, your this x squared minus 6x plus 5 is actually equal to this. X minus 5, x minus 1. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, what you do is, you are going to make use of this. So you need to follow every single step. You're going to make use of this. So, to sketch. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay? So what is the meaning of this x-axis? The x-axis means, so let's say this is your y-axis. So you start from 0, right? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, -2. Of course, you are going to use a ruler so that your scale is accurate. Okay? Over here, freehand, I'm just demonstrating to you. Then this will be 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. Make sense? So, what is so special about the x-axis? So the x-axis is actually your y equals to 0. Can you see? This is your y equals to 0, right?
Yeah.
This is your y equals to 1, right?
Yeah.
This is your y equals to 2, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I say your x-axis, which is here, this is your x-axis, right?
Yeah.
It's actually your y equals to 0. Okay? So now, you want to see when your this y equals to 0. So we follow from, actually this is the y equals to this, right? X squared minus 6x plus 5, right? So therefore, so let me start off with the question. The question says y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5, right?
Yeah.
So now you want to equate this to 0. So when you equate this equals to 0, right? Since you already factorize it, right? You just equate this to 0. Okay? When you equate to 0, your first bracket will be 0. Your second bracket will be 0 as well. Okay? So so over here will give you x equal to 5, right? Over here will give you x equal to 1. Actually, these two, x equal to 5, x equal to 5, x equal to 5 and x equal to 1 is actually given by your calculator just now. You can key in and verify yourself. I thought just now you key in already.
Yeah, but I erased it. Yeah.
So what this means is, when x equal to 5, your y equal to 0. So when x equal to 5, so seems like I need to extend this. When your x equal to 5, your y equal to 0. So this is 1 point. Okay? And another point, x equal to 1, y equal to 0. This is another point. So you have 2 points already. Okay? Now, so the next step is you want to find the quadratic graph has two shapes. It's either this one or this one. Okay? So this is called a frown face. This is called a happy face. So you want to know whether it's a frown face or happy face. Okay? So if it's a frown face, what you need to do is this. I'm going to use no, I'm going to use this. I'm going to show you why it's important. So it's either so it's either so it's either like frown or happy. Happy just invert. Okay? Okay, so you need to decide whether it's frown or happy. How do you decide?
The
It's determined by the A. That's why it's important to know what is A, B, and C. So the A in this case is what?
x squared
No. Just now you key in A equals to what?
1
1. So A is equal to 1. B is equal to
and then minus 6
-6. C is equal to
plus
5. Okay. So in this case, A equals to 1. So A is equal to 1, right?
yeah,
Is 1. That means positive 1. So that means A is positive. So positive is happy face. So therefore, happy face. Okay? So this case A equals to 1. So A is positive. Therefore it's happy face. So you write exactly the same thing. So therefore it's not the frown. In this case it's not a frown face. It's a happy face. So you just get this into this. Does it make sense?
yeah,
So what's so special now? You have these 2 points already. What is the other important point? This one. What point is this?
the
Minimum point, right? Yeah, correct. So what's the minimum point? How do you find the minimum point? The minimum point is this. This is 1, right? This is 5, right?
yeah,
So what's in the middle? So this was the midpoint. 1 and 5, what's the midpoint? Just 1 plus 5 divided by 2 lah. 3. So the midpoint actually is it happens at x equal to 3. So this point is x equal to 3. Okay? When x equal to 3, what's your y? Sub in, no? X equal to 3, sub it in. Okay? So you sub it in, you get 3 square minus 6 times 3. Can you help me out? What's the answer?
7.7
Hold on, this is 9 minus 18 plus 5. This is 6 times 3.
32
9 minus 18 plus 5.
yeah 32
9 plus 9 minus 18 plus 5. Give it to me. Show me.
-4.
Correct. You use calculator, you don't give me all nonsense, okay? Answer is -4. So therefore, this is y equals to -4. So that's how you get this another critical point. So once you have these 3 critical points, you can use your curve ruler. You can draw a nice curve. And this is how you draw this y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5. That's it.